Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify business strategies with Facebook. Beginner. Open your Facebook account and navigate to your business page. Click on the Insights tab located on the left sidebar. Review key metrics such as page views, post reach, and audience demographics. Identify your top performing content by analyzing engagement metrics. Take note of what types of posts receive the most likes, shares, and comments. Use this data to understand what resonates with your audience. Next, access the Ads Manager by clicking on the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Examine your current ad campaigns to assess their performance. Check metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. Compare these results against your initial business goals. If certain campaigns underperform, consider adjusting your targeting options. Make data-driven decisions on whether to increase or reduce the budget for specific ads. Engage with your audience by reading comments and messages on your posts. Gather feedback directly from your customers to understand their needs and preferences. Utilize Facebook groups related to your industry for additional insights and networking. Explore competitor pages to analyze their strategies and performance. Take notes on their successful tactics that you can incorporate into your own strategy. Compile all this information into a strategy report. Identify key strengths and weaknesses in your current strategies. Set specific, measurable goals for future campaigns based on your findings. Continuously monitor your metrics over time to adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, flexibility is essential in adapting to audience behavior, and this process will help refine your approach and improve your overall business outcomes on Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.